Alright, I'll buy another one too today. It's called the ThunderCat logo. Remember from the cartoon, the ThunderCats with Leo, Snarf, Mongrel, or the character from the ThunderCats. And see, ThunderCat. Oh, see that too, right? See? The logo of the ThunderCats. 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 Ho! You like that, huh? Yes, I do. So here's the back of it. See? Thunder! The back of it. And the front of the ThunderCats. The logo. See, it's black now. That's how it looked like, see? I like this one better. The ThunderCats. ThunderCats. ThunderCats! Oh! ThunderCats! Oh! So I hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe to it, comment, or do whatever you can. Alright? I have to get more book as soon as I can, or other stuff. So enjoy this and see you next time. ThunderCats. Oh, goodbye.